So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this bike out and we'll see how well the drone tracks me. All right. It's definitely tracking me. Amazed it tracked me through this jungle here. Oh, it almost flew into me. In this video, I'm going to show you the active track feature on the DJI Neo. I was thinking about doing different sports. So the first video is going to be of me trying the active track on a mountain bike. In the last video, I did an unboxing of the DJI Neo drone. It's a very tiny drone and very affordable drone. And it has AI features that will track you as you're walking around or moving. In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some testing on a mountain bike. This is the Northrock. This is the bike I purchased earlier this year. It's a very nice bike from Costco, very affordable. If you're looking for a bike, I highly recommend this one because it's very light and it's built very well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this bike out. We'll see how well the bike tracks me on a bike trail. So I'm going to do follow from behind mode and we'll see how it does tracking me through a pretty wooded lots of shrubs and bushes and branches in the way trail. So without further ado, let's do some trail riding. All right. It's definitely tracking me. Amazed it tracked me through this jungle here. Up and down this trail. Lots of trees in the way. And it's tracking me just fine. Even through that bridge right there. It's doing a great job. Come on, little guy. Don't want it to run out of battery, so I'm gonna land it. Oh, it almost flew into me. Oh, it almost flew into me. Alright, so I'm just going to shut off. That was a great job. Did a great job. Alright, so I'd like to talk about the AI features of this drone. So on top of the drone there are mode buttons, and you can select in combination with your phone as well. You can use your phone, and you can select the kind of tracking it does. So it can track you from the front, or it can track you from behind. So in my case, because I was going pretty fast through a bike trail, I decided to get tracked from behind. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start a series where I test out the drone for use with different sports. So the first one I'm going to do is bike riding, mountain bike riding. The second one is going to be paddleboard. So I'll post that one after this video, maybe sometime this week or next week. But second one coming up after that is going to be paddleboard. And I also want to try it out with kayaking and rollerblading and possibly soccer as well. So those are the videos I plan to make to sort of start a series on how well this thing works for tracking you in different kinds of sports.